happens, you will see.
Alright.
If she can do that, I don't know. Come on, tell you playing.
Say.
Okay, entering the Mentos.
Gotta move.
So you don't get to put the whole thing in?
You can.
You gotta wait, hold up.
We saw the Pepsi one.
Hold up.
You can, but it ain't doing nothing. So,
Hold up.
It already finished. And you already got your explanation. Pepsi one.
so did you record it?
Uh-huh.
Which one went higher?
The Pepsi.
Right, so
I'm thinking like you get to put all the Mentos in. Hold on, Tim. Wait, you gotta do that?
Oh yeah, you can shake it up.
Oh,
Hold
yeah.
on,
But the
hold
thing
on.
is,
Hold on, Tim.
It's not hard. You don't
it
listen.
ain't gonna work.
That's not gonna
Oh,
work.
no,
Shake it up. No.
Yeah, no, it's not working.
Put new Mentos in,
probably. I ain't put them on new Mentos in.
He still got 2 more bottles of pops left to show to the class or something.
That's to the class. That's not.
The
Oh.
Pepsi one.
The next time you gotta put the whole pack in there all at one time.
Yeah.
The Pepsi